Hi everyone, I'm Julie. Today I'm going to show you how I put together a super simple coconut curry. This is a staple in our house and it's so easy to throw together, especially when you have your husband prep everything for you ahead of time. Today, how I'm making it is I'll be using some olive oil, garlic, spices, and that includes salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and curry powder, red curry paste, red onion, bell pepper and carrot, broccoli, russet potato, peas, cashews, coconut milk, a little bit of water, and then some basmati rice. I've made this ahead of time just to make it pull together a lot quicker. So all you're going to do is start with the olive oil, and you'll put this on the stove and let it heat up a little bit, and then we'll add in our red onion and let that saute a bit. So I let that heat up a bit, probably about 45 seconds, and now I'm going to add in my chopped red onion. I sauteed those about 3 minutes and they're just getting translucent now. So now I'm going to add in my spices and my bell pepper and carrots. Then I'll go back on the stove, saute that a little longer. So that's been going for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to take the red curry paste and add that in. That's all been incorporated now, so I'm going to add in my garlic, but I'm going to turn down my heat first because I don't want it to burn. Wanted to show you what it looks like at this point. So I like to get that all incorporated, and then I add in my potatoes. So this will go back on the stove. Now that the potatoes are in, we'll add in the coconut milk, and I just use light coconut milk, a full can, and then about a cup of water. So back to the stove it goes. I've had the potatoes boiling for a couple of minutes. So I'm going to add in the broccoli now, and also the peas. I like lots of peas. I'm also going to add in the cashews. I'm going to put this back on the stove and let it simmer for about 5 more minutes, and then it's ready to plate up. I'll use the basmati rice as my base, and then I'll cover it with this curry, and it is delicious. So simple, so easy. I hope you give this a try. If you do and you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.